at the M1 concourse here up in Pontiac, Michigan. We're at the 6th Powerfest. This is the event that Tom Bailey puts on the day before Roadkill, which is tomorrow. We are right here at the Burnout area, the drift course. We're actually right about to get drifting. You see we got Klaus. He's running decent. Everything's good. Everything's good-ish, good enough. You see the merch area, look at that. It's just me and Brandon. Brandon, wave to the camera. It's just us two today. We're out here, we got boosted rides right next to us. So
we got this really cool guy over here. They got these chairs that are super awesome.
Yeah, they go like up and down and side to side.
Yeah.
I thought it was like a chiropractor station, it's not.
I mean, they're good for cripples like you.
I am old.
Yeah.
So, we just got one GoPro, 2 phones, so forgive us, we're going to make the best out of this. Should be good, nice hangout, it's supposed to thunderstorm like today at 5. So we got drifting all morning, and then we're going into the Burnout contest at night. And stupid boost ride, don't worry, we're going to beat them. Those aren't real Burnout cars.
No, they don't have superchargers on them, do they?
No, they have actually blowers.
The blowers, yeah. But, I mean, they're slow.
They're slow. All right, but I got to suit up, and we got to get on the track for drifting.
Yay! So, Carl convinced people to let me tandem drift with him. Or not tandem drift, be a passenger. Right?
Yeah, you're going to be my passenger princess, even though they said no passengers. I was like, well, I know you said no passengers, but did you really mean no passengers?
Carl gets to, he tends to find a way to make things happen. All right, Carl?
That's what I do. I do what I do, and I do what I do.
Like, you have an NHRA license now.
I do now, yes.
Right, yeah. Didn't before. Still got to drive, so. We're going to go do this thing in Klaus, and I'm going to take video. It's going to be sweet.
We are in the staging lanes right now for drifting. We got text. We're all good. We got our drift tires on. We got Brandon in the passenger seat recording, and we're going to do some sliding.
So Carl lost his belt 2 swings in. That was it. Getting it repaired now. Hopefully we can go back. Before you start this car, can you predict how many belts we're gonna throw today?
I don't know. I hate throwing belts. Can we stop doing this?
That's number 1. I'm gonna say 2.
We just can't do it during the Burnout comp.
As long as we don't do it through that, we're good. So I got out of the car, my beard's a mess. It's fun. No, that's a hell of a ride. Carl's gonna keep going until they stop us, so I'm gonna take some more video, and he's having a good time. He hasn't thrown any more belts yet, so we'll see on this next run.
first little bit of drifting is done. We spent about half hour, 45 minutes out there. We still have like a half a set of tires left. This track is actually very small and I can't get any speed. Like first gear is not enough tire speed. Second gear is way too much tire speed. A lot of the other high horsepower cars are having the same problem. Basically what they're saying is this is a 300 or 400 horsepower car track, not for us 1,000 horsepower cars, but we're having fun. Klaus isn't leaking, not overheating. We did lose a belt halfway through the first lap.
Just one.
Just one belt. Now we've been good. We still got a bunch of tire left, so we're gonna go ahead and suit back up. We got a half hour left, they said, of drifting, and then we are done until burnouts, so let's get to it.
Yes.
Let's go, Spiegel.
240 SX Nissan will provide competition.
Don't
off they
suck,
go.
Spiegel. Don't suck, he's gonna suck. Ah, Spiegel, pull away.
A good run there. They stay.
All right, guys, the drifting is done now. They just did the finals. We got about an hour till burnout comp, but they said we could do some more drifting for fun to kill time. It really looks like it's about to rain. We got Jason, Booster Ride, you know, the one who always beats us all the time.
Don't say always.
Oh, almost. But we're gonna go do some drifting. He's gonna ride along. It's gonna be fun. Side by side rolled up like an hour ago. So, you guys know 2JP. The 2J swapped side by side, which is nasty. You've seen it everywhere. But now they have a Hellcat swapped side by side that they just made. Take a look. This is the kind of dumb that I like.
What do you guys do?
Look at that! Just look at it. That is nice. I love it. I want it. I want some more of it. Trying to get a picture. Terrible at it. Gloves and everything. Taking him for a ride. Klaus, we literally, right after drifting, have to get right into the burnout line. So, we're going to see how this goes. Yeah, it's going to be no problem. We got this. Oh, we're good. We'll be good.
The BMW, the blue and gray car, that is your overall truck champion.
Hey, Carl, fucking
Anderson.
As soon as we pulled back, they said Group 2 burnouts, you're up, and that's us right now. So we just finished doing the drifting, swap tires real quick, and then we're right back out there. We're gonna take the win. We got this. Let's go. Oh. Come on, let's go. Come on. I need a squirt, I ran it out. Do you have a squirt? I don't have any squirts. Need a squirt. Oh, there you go.
is ready to make some noise and some burnouts, ladies and gentlemen. Here goes Kyle.
So they just said everyone get to the main building right now. There is an active tornado about a mile over there. It's confirmed on the ground, literally in the middle of the burnouts. They're running like, yeah, they said get out now, leave your cars, your merge, everything. We're screwed. Yay. So everyone's running. You can see, I think I recorded it. Tornado sirens went off right as I was about to go up because you saw the water pump belt flew off of my tip in. They're like, it's okay, you get a do-over. I was like, sweet. Put it back on. Got in line. Hey!
What happened?
Oh, hold on. Right in on my tip in, water pump belt flew off because shit got loose. I'm switching to electric water pump. I'm tired of this.
Talk my boy up friggin' Mazir, dude.
Really? You got a boy there?
No, I just know the company.
No, so, and then I was like, okay, we're gonna go, the guy at the staging lane, he's like, you barely tipped in, toss it back on, you get a do-over. I was like, sweet. And then they said tornado, and I was like, okay, are we doing the contest? He's like, event's done. I was like, well, that sucks.
That's the left of Klaus, brother.
It's my luck.
You'll get it.
We'll do it in Bristol. I'm switching to electric water pump too, so we don't have to worry about this.
And meth, don't forget.
Oh yeah, and we're running meth. Do I need a water pump with meth? Probably still do.
I would imagine.
Yeah. All right, brother.
Get home safe.
I'll see you, man.
Right.
Yep, anytime. We'll see you. So you saw that. Yeah. Now we get to load up. Rock on. At least we didn't half send it. We've been drifting all freaking day and started a burnout and then tornado. Oh, tis life. Oh well. Let's get the trailer and load up. So Brandon, how was your day?
It was awesome. I got sunburned, like all over. Rained on. Everything got soaked, including all of the merchandise. Sorry, Laura. It's all disorganized. It's all in a good spot for you when we get home.
She's gonna love it.
It was a good day. It was a really good day.
It was. I've been recording on and off. I don't even know what I'm recording.
Yeah.
So
it's pretty disappointing.
Yeah.
I mean, I was really hoping for like a good tornado because they put us in a glass building. Like, they just really wanted us to, get shattered. It was
yes,
awesome.
they did. But that'll help. Whoa! Whoa, there's some lightning out here. And I think there's another tornado coming.
It's going to be a real fun drive home.
Yeah, but we got an hour and 45-minute drive home. We're loaded up, filling up some tires because they're a little low. But hey, thanks for hanging out with us, guys. We had an absolute blast today. We'll see you on the next one. Balls are out. Dang. I don't know where we're going, but we're gonna act like we know where we're going. Trying to get over there.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Probably.